Hello. Welcome to the session on performing routine check of machine and do replenish as per requirement. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to check the running condition of lathe machine, check the oil level, check the sliding movement. The tools and materials required to perform routine check of lathe machine are lathe machine, lubricating oil, coolant, electricity tester, screwdriver, dial indicator, gun oiler, spanners, wrench, Allen key, kerosene, bunion cloth, safety goggles, gloves, in order to perform routine checks, turn off the power supply of the machine to avoid someone to use the machine during the maintenance procedure. Ensure to wear safety tools while filing cylindrical surfaces to prevent from injuries and also ensure a safe work environment. First, open the side cover and check driving belts if the belts are damaged or has excessive cracks and wear and tear. In such cases, they must be replaced. Check the tension of the belts. Check brake conditions if the lathe machines are with pedal brakes. Next, turn on the lathe machine and run the lathe for a couple of minutes. Check the level of lubricating oil in main gearbox visually. Refill the gearbox if required. While running, check whether all the automatic feeding movements are working properly. Check tailstock locking condition. Check whether both the levers locked properly. Check top bench lubrication manual pump. Pull or pouch lever to verify that the oil is coming to the sliding bench. Check the level of lubricating oil in lubrication tank. . Then, check the level of coolant and refill it if required. Lubrication has to be done with gun oiler periodically. For headstock, lubrication is required for twice a year. On a daily basis, compound slides and tailstock nipple lubrication should be done by gun oiler. Lubricate apron and carriage using handle pump on daily basis. Also, lubricate change gear nipple, lead screw nipple and bedways by gun oiler on daily basis. Maintaining the coolant level is very crucial in lathe machine. Empty the coolant tank and fill up with new coolant as and when required. Wear rubber gloves to avoid contact with coolant during the refilling process. Before refilling, check the bottom of the coolant tank for any solids. If there is any solids, remove and always keep the coolant tank clean. Once the coolant tank is checked, run the lathe and test the coolant is supplied properly. Next, check the electricity supply. First, check the main power cable for its condition. If there is any damage, replace it. Verify the condition of all the external switches. If there is any damage, repair or replace it. Check the condition of all the limit switches. They must be strong in position, because a loose or damaged limit switch can generate a continuous fault on the machine. Finally, check the final point alignment. Once a year, verify the alignment of the center tailstock with the center of the headstock depending on the required precision. Here, alignment can be obtained by fitting a total parallel bar between the centers and by using a dial indicator to verify parallelism between centers. Let's recap the key points discussed. Turn off the power supply while performing routine check. Check the condition of belts, limit switches, lubricants, and all the moving parts for any damage. Check the level and quality of the coolant in coolant tank. Check the final point alignment. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about performing routine check of machine and doing replenish as per requirement. See you in the next session.